you know, it keeps one other thing which is important than money, keeps you secure. What you said about friends and family, I do agree, but money definitely helps to keep it helps with security. It helps with maintaining your social status. It helps with, I guess, facilitating your family or your loved ones. Try my best.
Okay. But I think money is not important than family, because family, if you lose your family, you can get back your family. But if you lose your money, you can get back your money. So I think if you still choose money, then maybe you can forget your family. Like lots of fathers forget their family. They too much to work because they have because the boss say that he needs to work a lot to get more money, and then they forget the family. If the kid wants to play with you or maybe want to be together with him, because he is worth too much. And I think if you choose for money, then maybe you can forget your family.
All right, go ahead, bro.
For me, as a representative of the pros of money makes you happier, is that what has family to do with money? I think that family has little to none connection to family. It is more to survival. Basically, money can buy you food, right? Money can buy you houses. It can it can buy you life, and that's what I think makes money happier for you. So that's what I want.
Go ahead. One gone.
Money can help you more about your work, about your anything that you can do. But for me, the experience is more valuable. Like every rich people who from zero to rich, because they hard work. The process is is more good than the process is very good. That can make you happy, but not the money. Money can help you for work.
All right then. Yeah, that was a good debate. No, I mean, mashallah. Who do you guys think won? Congratulations for the God side. You've officially won the debate. Oh, all right. I'll give you some feedback. I guess everyone in the debate spoke very well. That's one, right? You had your points and you had your own specific beliefs as to why you said pro and why you said con. Right? That's very good. You already know what to do, right? And how about solving the problem is writing it down, right? So I think what the con team actually did better was they actually spoke better, right? They delivered their points better, right? You could hear them, you could hear their points and that's what you have to do when you have to speak. You have to make your words into one clear stream so the audience understands it and so the audience really sucks it in, right? And I guess that's why con won, right? But pro lost, I think because they had good points, but the way they delivered it is a bit. I'll accept the foul. Found it good. All right. Yeah. I guess that's it. Does anyone else have to say?
So you guys get the experience basically. sense, right? The nervousness, all the excitement, and hope you can gain that experience. Okay?
Alright, I guess that's it for the debate. Thank you for volunteering. Thank you. Go ahead and sit down. Alright,